Welcome to Teddy Manuel Experience Masterclass Online, and today we are going to do a tablescape using a low-cost materials. So please join me in our flower demonstration today. Our first step is to create a clean canvas. For our flower demonstration today, I created this nice avocado green Gina silk that will serve as our backdrop. Then, I reused this wood planks that we normally use for our previous wedding, made of palo china. One of the highlights of our setup today is reusing our rattan hoops. Simply wrap the rattan hoops with different patterns of laces to create textures. And to make it in line with our tropical theme, we added a single leaf fresh foliage to create this tropical theme. The inspiration of our setup is our tablecloth. We will make the pattern come alive by using fresh fruits like papaya, watermelon, buko, and pineapple. One way to cut costs is using silk flowers. It's important to remember when you're doing a table setup, you have to think of layering, starting from your tablecloth, from your charger plates, and then the details on top of the charger plates, and of course the flowers, the vases, and the candles that you're gonna use on your table. So our next step is detailing. So I'm gonna put this sliced watermelon on our charger plates. Details, details, details. That really spells the difference between a professional event stylist. So focus on that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tablescape demonstration for today. And please don't forget to subscribe and like our YouTube channel. And I'll see you soon. Bye!